Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how easy it is to make peanut butter at home. We've all seen the ingredient lists on store-bought jars, often with added palm oil, hydrogenated fats, and tons of sugar. This homemade version is a total game changer. Once you try this, with its fresh, intense peanut flavor, you might never go back to store-bought. The difference is truly incredible. Let's get started. You only need one main ingredient: peanuts. I'm using 2 cups of roasted, unsalted ones. Roasting is key because it deepens the flavor and helps the nuts release their natural oils more easily. If you only have raw peanuts, just roast them on a baking sheet at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes until fragrant. Using unsalted gives you total control over the flavor, and you can always add a pinch of salt later to make it pop. Toss the peanuts into your food processor and pulse a few times to break them up. This just helps get everything moving evenly before the main blend. Then, let it run. After about a minute, it will look like crumbly sand. This is the first stage of the transformation. I recommend stopping here to scrape down the sides of the bowl. This ensures every last bit gets incorporated for a super smooth result. Keep going, and it will start clumping into a thick paste. You'll see it form a stiff, awkward-looking ball. Don't panic. This is exactly what's supposed to happen as the friction from the blades heats the peanuts, which is crucial for releasing their oils. If it looks particularly dry, you can add a teaspoon of a neutral oil like peanut or sunflower oil to help it along. But honestly, patience is your best friend. Most peanuts have enough natural oil, and you probably won't need to add any. Keep blending for about 3 to 5 minutes total. You'll witness the magic moment when the stiff paste suddenly breaks down and becomes a glossy, liquid gold peanut butter. The sound of the motor will even get quieter. That's your cue. Blend until it's super creamy and smooth. Now you can customize it. For that classic chunky style, pulse in some chopped peanuts at the very end. For sweetness, add honey or maple syrup. You can even try a pinch of cinnamon for warmth. For a decadent chocolate version, mix in a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Feeling adventurous? A dash of cayenne pepper creates an amazing, spicy sweet flavor. Look at that. Creamy homemade peanut butter. Scoop it into a clean, airtight jar, and it'll keep in the fridge for up to a month. You might notice some oil separation on top. That's a good thing. It's a sign there are no artificial stabilizers. Just give it a good stir before serving. It's perfect on toast, in oatmeal, as a dip for apples, in savory noodle sauces, or just by the spoonful. The best part? You know exactly what's in it. Just pure peanuts, packed with protein and healthy fats, with no preservatives or additives. If you try this recipe, let me know how it goes in the comments. I'd love to hear what creative flavors you come up with. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more simple recipes. And don't forget to share it with a friend who loves peanut butter. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.